welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing this clutch, this very beautiful clutch. It's very simple and easy to do. This is Nana's Food and Fashion. What we do is we sew bags, clutches, clothing, and then we do food recipes. So let's get started. Right guys, so to make the clutch we have this material, and I have really combined it with the faux leather. The dimensions are 33 centimeters by 40 centimeters, and also I have the fusible fleece. This one you iron it onto the material. It makes it much more stable. It's supposed to be the same dimension as well as the material. And I have the lining. The lining is also the same dimensions as the material. So yeah, and also we have the zip. The zip is about 30 centimeters, and I've added a tassel to it. I made this tassel and added to it, so I will do the tassel and show you how to do it next time I make the clutch. Okay, so let's get started. So this thing I need to do is to iron this onto the fabric, and I think that if you've watched my videos you will know that normally you have to look at the fusible fleece. The rough part of it, you need to attach it onto the wrong side of the fabric and then you iron it. Most of them come with instructions, so just follow the instructions and that's it. Right, okay, so once you insert the zip, so as I always say, the zip should be between your material that you're using and the lining. So you put the zip face down on the right side of the material like that. Okay, and then this is my lining, and I put the lining on top of it. So I'm doing this side. So what I'm going to do is to clip that. Okay, make sure that the zip is inside it. Clip this, and then what you're going to do is that you do that to the end, and I'm going to sew over it. Okay, so that's the first part of inserting the zip. Right guys, so we've done the first half of inserting the zip. Okay, so that's it. Going to do the second bit, so that's the other half of the fabric. So what I'm going to do, this is the right side of the fabric, that's the right side. Put them together like this, and then that's the top bit that we need to insert. So you put that here and make sure the zip is in between the fabric and the lining. So that is the lining, so that's in between. So what I'm going to do is to sew this other half of the zip. Right guys, so we've inserted the zip. So the next bit we need to do is to just join them together, the two halves together. So these are the two right sides, so you put them together like this, and then you put the lining together. This is how it's supposed to be. So what we are going to do, we are going to sew this bit, that bit, that bit, and then you leave just a little bit of gap here where we pull the clutch. Okay, so just leave a little bit of gap and sew the rest around it. So that's the next bit. Right guys, as mentioned before, we've sewed the outer bit of the lining and the fabric to the clutch. So I've sewed all this part round, and I left a bit just to pull the clutch through. So that's the bit I left. So what we need to do is to just try and pull it through. It just takes a bit of time, but get there at the end. Yeah, so that is done. So what we need to do is to seal this bit, just a small bit. We just sew this bit. Before that, let me show you the bag. Make sure that when you take it out, you put the ends through nicely. Right guys, so this is our clutch done. I've taken it out nicely and it comes out as this. So what you need to do is just fold it like that, and that makes a nice clutch. Please like this video and please put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video you'll be notified of that. Thanks for watching.